Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam VR Games Crash. So first you are going to click on the search bar and type View Advanced System Settings. You choose that one, then you choose the first one, Performance. You click on Settings, then you go to Advanced, and here you will see Virtual Memory. You click on Change, then you uncheck this one, and here in the Custom Size you can put the initial size and the maximum size based on your laptop RAM, and then after you finish all those you click on OK. If this doesn't work, then the other option is to, in the search bar, you type Steam, then you go and open file location. Here you will find it, you right click on it, then you will see show more options, then you click on properties, and here you will go to compatibility, and then you need to check all those three. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.